Hi children, today we are going to learn the poem Kiran, written by the poet Niramkar Dev Sevak. अरे किरण तो उड़कर इतनी जल्दी आज चली आई. Hi Kiran, you woke up so early and have come early today. मैं तो बिस्तर में से अपने अब तक निकल नहीं पाई. I haven't even woke up from my bed yet. I'm still sleeping and I saw the Kiran now. The Suraj ki Rashmi or the rays of the sun is Kiran. So when the Kiran hit on the girl's face, she woke up and she said, "Wow, you have come so early. I'm still in my bed." कल तो तेरे साथ शाम तक खेल बहुत से खेली मैं. कल yesterday तो तेरे साथ with you शाम तक evening तक till evening खेल बहुत से खेली मैं. I have played a lot of games with you. पर जब तू चल दी सोने को तो रह गई अकेली मैं. But when you went to sleep, I became alone in the bed yesterday. She was talking about yesterday night. Now what happened? तू सुख से सोई होगी पर मुझको नींद नहीं आई. And the girl is now complaining, you might have slept very happily yesterday. आराम से तू सुख से सोई होगी but मुझको नींद नहीं आई. The sleep, I did not get any sleep yesterday. परी कथाएं पढ़ते पढ़ते I was reading the stories of the angels and बड़ी देर में सो पाई and I slept very late. कहने लगी किरण यह सुनकर. Immediately the Kiran responded. Kiran said, मैं ही कब सो पाती हूँ. When I could also sleep. तुम्हें सुलाकर एक दूसरी दुनिया में मैं जाती हूँ. After making you sleep, I go to another world. बच्चे जो बिस्तर में सोए, the children who sleep in the bed, बच्चे जो बिस्तर में सोए होते उन्हें जगाती हूँ. I wake them up. वहां शाम हो जाती है तो when it is evening there, लौट यहाँ फिर आती हूँ. I come back, I return to you now. So it is the conversation between the girl and the सूरज की किरण, रश्मि.